Living in Pell City, Alabama, means experiencing a variety of weather conditions throughout the year. From hot, humid summers to cool, wet winters, and the occasional severe storm. These climate conditions can take a toll on your home, particularly on one of its most vulnerable features, the windows. That's why more homeowners in Pell City are turning to weather-resistant windows as a smart investment in protecting their homes and improving their quality of life. If you're considering replacing your windows, here's why weather-resistant windows play such an important role in Pell City's climate, and how they can benefit you. Protection against heavy rains and storms. Pell City is no stranger to storms. With spring and summer often bringing intense thunderstorms, high winds, and even the risk of tornadoes, your windows need to be up to the task. Weather-resistant windows are designed to stand up to the harshest conditions, featuring durable materials and advanced seals that prevent water and wind infiltration. Old or poorly sealed windows are more likely to leak during storms, which can lead to water damage, mold growth, and costly repairs. Weather-resistant windows, on the other hand, provide a tight seal against rain and wind-driven moisture, keeping your home dry and protected no matter what the weather brings. Improved energy efficiency year-round. One of the biggest challenges of Pell City's climate is the temperature extremes. Hot, muggy summers and chilly winters can both drive up energy costs if your windows aren't performing properly. Weather-resistant windows are built with advanced insulating properties, including double or triple panes and low emissivity coatings, to help maintain a stable indoor temperature. This means keeping cool air in during summer, or keeping warm air in during winter, or reducing the strain on your HVAC system, lowering your monthly utility bills. For homeowners looking to save money while staying comfortable in every season, energy-efficient, weather-resistant windows are a smart choice. Defense against humidity and moisture damage. Pell City's high humidity levels can wreak havoc on traditional windows. Over time, moisture can seep into the frames and sashes, causing wood to rot, metal to corrode, or seals to fail. This not only affects the look of your windows but also their ability to keep out drafts and moisture. Weather-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand high humidity environments. They use moisture-resistant materials like vinyl or treated composites and feature superior seals that prevent condensation and water penetration. This means your windows stay functional and attractive for years to come, even in Pell City's humid climate. Increased home security and peace of mind. Severe weather events in Pell City can sometimes include strong winds or flying debris that threaten your home's safety. Weather-resistant windows often feature impact-resistant glass that can withstand heavy blows, making it harder for debris, or even intruders, to break through. Knowing your windows are strong enough to stand up to both storms and security threats gives you and your family greater peace of mind, especially during those unpredictable Alabama weather events. Enhanced curb appeal and long-term value. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows doesn't just improve performance, it can also give your home a fresh, updated look. Available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, weather-resistant windows can complement any home design while increasing curb appeal. Additionally, buyers in Pell City are likely to see weather-resistant windows as a valuable feature, knowing they won't have to worry about replacing or repairing windows after every major storm. This can make your home more attractive if you decide to sell in the future. Final thought. Pell City's unique climate demands windows that can do more than just look good. They need to protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and stand up to the elements. Weather-resistant windows offer all these benefits and more, making them an essential upgrade for any homeowner looking to safeguard their investment. If you're ready to improve your home's comfort, safety, and value, consider weather-resistant windows tailored to Pell City's climate. With professional installation and the right products, you can enjoy peace of mind and year-round performance no matter what Mother Nature has in store.